Welcome to the Pengower tutorial. Today, we'll teach you how to create menus and sidebars for your application. The objectives of this video are to teach you how to create a simple sidebar, how to create a simple menu, and how to display a sidebar and a menu in a standard application layout. Let's go back to the builder and select our previous application. For our application, we would like to create a sidebar which could contain different lists of items that could be either data records or actions. To give you an idea what a sidebar is, we can give you the builder as an example. Here, we have a sidebar which contains an item list of data record types. First thing we do is create an item list. An item list is a list of actions or data records. To add one, go to the Item Lists tab, then click on New Item List, then name it History. Then for the type, let's choose Recent Items. Choosing this type would allow us to show a list of data records that has been recently viewed. Click on the Update button once you're done. Now, let's create a sidebar. Let's start by going to the Sidebar tab and click on New Sidebar. Let's name it Administrator Sidebar. Now, under the Select Item list, let's choose History. This would enable us to show our recent opened items on the sidebar. Click on the Move Right button to place History under the selected window. Click on Update once you're done. Now, let's create a menu. Again, we can use the builder as an example. Here at the top, we can see the Builder's menu, where we can find the Application button and the Options menu. Let's go to the Menu tab, then click on New Menu. Let's name it Administrator Menu. Click on the Update button once you're done. Then let's separate our member actions from employee actions that we have created previously. To do that, let's click on the heading field and put in Members. Then, click on the Next Item button. You should see Members appear on the layout window. Then, select on Add New Member and click on the Child Item button. This would enable us to put the action Add New Member under the Members heading in the menu. Do the same for List Members. Now let's create a heading for Employee. Go to the heading field and put in Employees. Then click on the Next Item button. Add the actions Add Employee and List Employees as child items. Once you're done, click on Update. Now, let's update our application's layout so that we can add the menu and sidebar we just created. To do that, let's go to the Views tab and then choose Administrator View found on the sidebar. Now, let's update the layout from Toolbar Only Application to Standard Application Layout. This should open up an option for us to put in our menu, toolbar and sidebar that we have created previously. Choose Administrator Menu, Administrator Toolbar and Administrator Sidebar from the drop-down options respectively. Click on the Update button once you're done. Then, let's click on the Update button to push all the changes we've made onto our application. After getting the notification, let's click on the Launch View button, which should launch our application. We are now at our application's login page. Put in our login credentials that we have created in the previous videos. Once done, click on Login. Welcome to your application. You can still see the toolbar at the top, and above it we'll find the menu we just created. You can see that if you click on Members, you'll find the actions we've placed under it. Also, the same works for Employees. Now here at the side, you'll see our sidebar. To show you how it works, let's go to List Members, which is found at our toolbar. Then, let's try and edit one of the members' details. You will notice that as we do, our sidebar gets populated. These lists are recent activities in the application. It is very helpful as it gives us the ability to easily go back to them. Now, this section right here is called our workspace. This is where we view and manipulate our data records. Congratulations! Now you know how to create simple menu structures, item lists and sidebars, and how to put them together using a standard application layout. Later in these series, we'll show you how to customize your view using images, icons, fonts and colors. To recap, you now have learned how to create a simple sidebar, how to create a simple menu, and lastly, how to display a sidebar and a menu in a standard application layout. Thank you for listening.